Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussing about the flame coloration. Okay, IIT, there is alkali metals. In that chapter, we discussed about the flame coloration. Okay, so when alkali metals are their salts, when we are heating on the burner, what happened? The characteristics colors to the flame as given below. Okay, what is the colors they given? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are the first A group elements, that is alkali metals. Okay, lithium will give carmine red, sodium golden yellow, potassium pale violet, rubidium reddish violet, cesium sky blue. So these are colors they will give on flame test. And next one is a photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Okay, why they are giving the different colors? What is the reason? When we are heating, that electrons are excited to the higher energy and again higher energy to lower energy. Then when it is exciting the electrons from higher energy to lower energy and lower energy to higher energy, these electrons jump back to their ground states when they emit the energy in the form of radiation, which falls in the visible region. So we can see the colors. When we are heating, that electrons are exciting to the higher energy state. When a higher energy electron is come back to the jump into the lower energy, it will be emit the energy. So that energy in the form of radiation, which fall in the visible region. So we can see the colors. Now next one is a photoelectric effect. Remaining is a photoelectric effect is there, and density is there, melting points and boiling points is there, and soft metals is there, metals characters, softness, hardness. Okay, so these are the first synopsis. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Okay, what is a photoelectric effect? Alkali metals exhibit the photoelectric effect. Alkali metals exhibit the photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect? Except lithium, remaining alkali metals exhibit the photoelectric effect. Okay, so first of all, what is the photoelectric effect? A phenomenon of emission of electrons from surface by exposing it to visible light, that is called photoelectric effect. Once again, I will give the definition. A phenomenon of emission of electrons, emitting the electrons from surface by exposing it to visible light. Emission of electrons from surface by exposing it by the visible light, that effect is called photoelectric effect. Alkali metals exhibit photoelectric effect except lithium. Lithium won't exhibit the photoelectric effect. Okay. Now, alkali metals except which element? Lithium, Li. Alkali metals except lithium exhibit photoelectric effect. Exhibit photoelectric effect. Exhibit photoelectric effect. And first of all, what is the definition of photoelectric effect? How can we define the photoelectric effect? A phenomenon of emission of electrons from surface, emission of electrons from surface. Emission of electrons from surface by exposing it to visible light. By exposing it to visible light. This effect is called photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect? A phenomenon of emission of electrons from surface by exposing it to visible light. That effect is called photoelectric effect. Okay, what is the reason why they are giving the photoelectric effect? Okay, reason. The ability to exhibit photoelectric effect is attributed to low values of their ionization enthalpies. The energy of photon of incident radiation is sufficient to eject electron from atoms of these metals. Lithium does not emit photoelectrons when exposed to light due to high ionization energy. Okay, so here reason is ionization enthalpy values or ionization energy values. Already we discussed in the previous classes. Alkaline metals from the top to bottom, ionization energy values will be decreased. Okay, lithium having the more ionization energy in the first year group elements. That means alkaline metals, lithium does not emit photoelectrons when exposed to light. What is the reason? Due to high ionization energy. Already in the starting we are discussed alkaline metals except lithium, Li, symbol Li, exhibit photoelectric effect. Okay, so except lithium we mentioned. Why except lithium? Because it is having the high ionization energy. Lithium having the high ionization energy, so lithium does not emit photoelectrons when exposed to light due to high ionization energy. Now reason, the ability to exhibit photoelectric effect is the ability to exhibit photoelectric effect is attributed to low values of their ionization enthalpies The energy of photon of incident radiation is sufficient to eject electron from atoms of these metals. The energy of photon of incident radiation is sufficient to eject electron from atoms of these metals. Okay, here see, the ability to exhibit photoelectric effect is attributed to low values of their ionization enthalpies. Okay, alkaline metals having the low ionization enthalpies, so this is the reason for photoelectric effect. Okay, the energy of photon of incident radiation is sufficient to eject electron from atoms of these metals. Okay, and lithium does not emit the photoelectrons with exposed to light due to high ionization energy. From the top to bottom, ionization energy values will be decreased. Alkaline metals, if we see the alkaline metals from the top to bottom, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, so what happened? Ionization energy values will be decreased. So lithium having the high ionization energy. Lithium does not emit photoelectrons, does not emit, lithium does not emit photoelectrons, lithium does not emit photoelectrons when exposed to light due to high ionization energy, due to high ionization energy. Okay, this is the reason, photoelectric effect. Next one is the density. Okay, what is the density? What is the reason? Okay, the densities of alkali metals are low and increase down the group. Okay, densities will be increased in the top to bottom in the group. Potassium, however, is higher than sodium. Lithium is the lightest metal, having a density of 0.534 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so lithium is very lightest metal. Density, it is a very less.